Hi everyone, welcome to Classmate Academy. Today we are going to discuss questions from chapter 1 of Indian Geography regarding general introduction to Indian Geography. So in the previous video we already discussed 30 questions. So in this session we are going to discuss some other 30 questions. So extension of the previous session, right? This one, Palk Strait is situated between. So in the previous video we already saw the map. Where is the Palk Strait, Gulf of Mannar, you are having Adams Bridge and everything, right? So if you're keeping that in mind, your answer is between India and Sri Lanka. There is a Palk Strait is present between India and Sri Lanka, right? India and Pakistan, we are having a land border. Obviously with India and Bangladesh also we are having land border, whereas India and Myanmar also we are having land border. But regarding India and Sri Lanka, we are having a maritime border. To consider the coral reefs of India, of Government of India declared one of the following as a marine park. So this is very important question, because now we are having almost like around 6 marine parks are there. 6 marine parks are there. So regarding to consider the coral reefs, the Government of India declared one of the following as a marine park. Your answer is Gulf of Kutch in this case. So we are having some other marine national parks. For example, you go with Andaman and Nicobar. In Andaman Nicobar Islands, we are having 2 marine national parks are there. One is Mahatma Gandhi Marine Park or Marine National Park. Other one is Jhansi Lakshmi. Other one is Jhansi Lakshmi Marine National Park is there. Similarly, followed by Gulf of Mannar itself is a national park, Marine National Park, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. We are having one more in Orissa, Garimata Marine National Park. Other one is in Maharashtra. So these are the 6 marine national parks that you are having, but answer for this is your Gulf of Kutch is the answer. Okay. Next, the headquarters of Survey of India department is located in. It's a direct static question. Your answer is Dehradun. Which of the following states have longest coastline in India? I already said in the previous video saying that at least you have to remember top 3 states that are having the longest coastal boundaries. Obviously, you know, first one is Gujarat with 1214 kilometers, then followed by Andhra Pradesh, which is the second largest state with coastal line, that is 917 kilometers. Third one is Tamil Nadu with 907 kilometers. So obviously in this case Gujarat is there. So your answer is Gujarat is the answer. Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following Indian states? So in this case you have to observe all the options. But see, those who are having certain idea, directly they can check the options and you can eliminate the options very fast. Because in this type of question, selecting the option is not a good idea. Eliminating the options is a good idea. For example, see the first option, Bihar. The moment you see Bihar, through the Bihar, Tropic of Cancer will never pass. So you eliminate that option. Come to the second option. You are having Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Again, the moment you see Maharashtra is also wrong. Now see the third one, Gujarat, yes, Madhya Pradesh, yes, Chhattisgarh, yes, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So obviously your answer is option 3. See here Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar. Again you can see here Bihar, no, is the wrong one. See the Tropic of Cancer, how it was, you can see a line, okay. So this is Gujarat, is the first one. You can see Rajasthan, a little bit of Rajasthan is touching here. So this is the second state. Obviously Madhya Pradesh, exactly it's dividing the Madhya Pradesh into 2 halves. You can clearly see that. And you can see here some part of Chhattisgarh. And it's very important because Tropic of Cancer and your IST, that is Indian Meridian, is touching near Chhattisgarh. There is a national park called as Sanjay Gandhi National Park, where you can see here. So anyway, Chhattisgarh 4, Jharkhand 5, West Bengal 6, Tripura and Mizoram 7 and 8. So total you are having 8 states. Even number is also important. Remember this number as well. So Bihar, not the option. Again Maharashtra is also not, that is given in your options. India shares longest international boundary with which country? See, again this is also a quite static question. You need to remember the boundaries as well. Anyway, your answer is Bangladesh with 4096 kilometers. Next, followed by second largest is China with 3488 kilometers. Okay, so obviously your answer is Bangladesh, second is China, third is Pakistan with 332 kilometers. Whereas you see Bhutan around 700 kilometers, Nepal around 1750. It is around 1750 kilometers, whereas Bhutan is around 700 kilometers. So this is the border of different countries with India. Next one, which country is separating from India by the narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar? See in this image you can see this is the Palk Bay, Palk Strait, you can see Gulf of Mannar which is present between India and Sri Lanka. So your answer is Sri Lanka is the answer. The Andaman is separated from Nicobar by which water body? See here, I already said that you are having Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. Even Andaman Islands itself is divided into North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Whereas Nicobar Islands are divided like Car Nicobar, Little Nicobar and Great Nicobar. So Andaman and Nicobar both are separated by 10-degree channel. So your answer is 10-degree channel. Okay, above that you can see 11-degree channel here somewhere around near your Little Andaman and South Andaman. Other one is Palak Strait that is present between the Gulf of Mannar. Both are present between India and Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka. Next one, the northern part of west coast of India is known as. So this question is from the coastal areas that you will see in the Indian physiographic divisions. One is Konkan coast. See the Konkan coast is very important. It is also western. It is a west coast. Yes, it is a west coast, no doubt. Next one is Coromandel. It is a east coast like Tamil Nadu and all. Wrong. Malabar coast. Yes, it is also west coast. Correct. Godavari coast. Again, it is a east coast. So your answer between either Konkan coast and Malabar coast. And you know Malabar coast means Kerala coast. So obviously this is the southernmost point. So this is wrong and left with only Konkan coast. Konkan coast means where you can see your Goa, Maharashtra. This region can be seen. Which of the following city is situated in the farthest east? See, this question is quite difficult to be frank. And in the previous class also I said when we discussed about the map, there are certain cities where you need to remember. See in this case, Lucknow, Jabalpur, Hyderabad and Chennai. If you see the map here, first of all you can directly eliminate Hyderabad. Okay, because almost it's present like the center. So this is the Hyderabad. Because you know Chennai is somewhere eastern side, so you can eliminate Hyderabad immediately. And remaining is Lucknow, Jabalpur and Chennai. And you see Chennai here and you see Lucknow here. If you try to connect Chennai with Lucknow towards the north, from here you start moving towards north. So somewhere it's moving like this. So obviously Lucknow is most the eastern part, right? So your answer is Lucknow. So Lucknow will be somewhere around like 81° east latitude. This is 81 degrees east longitude. Whereas Chennai will be somewhere around 80 degrees east longitude. Whereas Jabalpur will be somewhere around 79. Okay, it is like 79 point something, 79.9 something or 8 degrees east longitude. So this is the distribution with respect to the longitudes, but it's better to remember certain states. For example, I said in the previous class, you have to remember what? Tropic of Cancer, that is Gandhi, Nagar, Bhopal, Jharkhand, this line. And the second important line is I said between Bangalore and Chennai. This is also very important, but Bangalore and Chennai with respect to the latitude, here also with respect to the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so at least try to remember some of the states. For example, you can see here also with respect to longitude, Patna and Ranchi, there also you can see both are very straight. And here also you can see with Bangalore with the Delhi, Bhopal and Bangalore with respect to Thiruvananthapuram. So these are certain states, okay, which fall either on the latitude or on the longitude. So try to remember only those cities. So by the elimination, you can pick the answer. Which of the following district is on the international border of India? So again, if you see this question, a bit difficult question. Anyway, direct your answer is called as Karimganj. That is the answer. Because Sirsa in Haryana, Puriala in West Bengal, Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. So, but still they are not like you are having the international borders. Whereas Karimganj in Assam, okay, where it is having the international border. Next, which of the following district is on the international border of India? Gorakhpur. Anyway, obviously Gorakhpur cannot be your answer. So you can go directly for elimination. Jaipur, anyway, cannot be your answer. Kulu Hills, no. In Himachal Pradesh, it is also not your answer. So your answer is Kinnaur. Because this is important, because from this particular district only we will try to go to Manasarovar. So that is the reason this is important. You have to remember this particular district because it may repeat in the future SSC exams also. West Bengal state's boundary with how many countries? See the base, West Bengal is sharing boundary with how many countries? So first see the West Bengal with east. So in the east, West Bengal shares with Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh. In the north, obviously it is going to share boundary with the Nepal and Bhutan. So your answer is 3. So your answer is 3 states. Okay. 3 countries are there. The West Bengal shares border with how many countries? We are having 3. That is Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. So Bangladesh on the east, Nepal and Bhutan on the north. Next. With which of the following countries has Arunachal Pradesh common border? You know, this is the Arunachal Pradesh, which is the eastern most part of our country. In this Arunachal Pradesh, you can see Bhutan. This is one. And obviously the Tibet, which is the autonomous region of in China. The other one is obviously with the Burma or Myanmar. So you're having 3 countries again with the Arunachal Pradesh. So your answer is Bhutan, China and Myanmar. So Bhutan, China and Myanmar. So answer is option 3 is the answer. Similarly, when you observe this map, try to observe the other countries also. For example, you take with Bangladesh. Okay. So, for example, you take Sikkim, which is very, very important. He may ask the questions regarding Sikkim also because you're having Nepal, China, and again with Bhutan. So, you also can expect a question from here regarding Arunachal Pradesh also. From Assam also you can expect because this is Assam. So, there are, Assam is having how many boundaries with how many other countries we are having. Same with respect to Northeast. So, try to focus mainly on the Northeast states regarding the borders. Next. Where is Sar Creek located? See, Sar Creek is the region, disputed region between India and Pakistan. And obviously, by seeing that, you know that it's Indo-Pak border only. The moment you say that India-China, obviously goes wrong. India-Myanmar goes wrong. But you see here, Indo-Pak, yes, there is a dispute between India and Pakistan, but where exactly is it? Near Gujarat or in Ladakh? Obviously, not in the Ladakh. Your answer is Gujarat. Near Rann of Kutch, you can see a Sar Creek, which is a narrow stream of water passage, where both countries, India and Pakistan, claims that water bodies as theirs. The Radcliffe line is the international border between, obviously Radcliffe line, Cyril Radcliffe drawn the boundary between India and Pakistan in the year 1947 between India and Pakistan. So today's both East Pakistan as well as West Pakistan. So your answer is India and Pakistan is the answer. Okay. Next. Which of the following states does not border on Myanmar? See, in case of Myanmar, you always start from the south and go to the north. So how can you move this? For example, you can, this is Mizoram, so Mi, and Manipur, Ma. Mi, Ma, then Nagaland, you are having Na. So Mi, Ma, Na, A means Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the 4, Mi, Ma, Na, Arunachal Pradesh. These are sharing boundary with Myanmar. So Mi, Ma, Na. So your answer is Meghalaya is the answer. Remaining all are having sharing boundary with your Myanmar. Next. Which of the following states does not border on Myanmar? Same question. Mi, Ma, Na, A. So Mi, A, Na. So your answer is again Meghalaya. So option 3 is the answer. Next. Which of the following states has international borders with 3 countries? For example, you take West Bengal. Now only before we discussed that West Bengal is having border with Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. Whereas you take Sikkim, here you can see the Sikkim, here the Sikkim. So Sikkim is also having border with Nepal, Bhutan and China. Sikkim is having with what? Nepal, Bhutan and China. So obviously both are sharing the boundaries, 3 countries. Which of the following states have the interval? Obviously West Bengal and Sikkim both are sharing boundaries with these countries as well. 3. Obviously Mizoram is only with Bangladesh and Myanmar. So it only 2. Jammu and Kashmir only with Pakistan. So your answer is a bit ambiguous because both these options are correct with respect to this question. Next, which of the following states has international borders with 3 countries? So obviously now come to Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is having a border with Bhutan, China and Burma or Myanmar. So obviously you are having 3 boundaries. Your answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan, now it is UT. Again Assam, again with Bangladesh, and again Mizoram with the Myanmar, right? So remember this, very, very important. Which of the following lines does not demarcate any part of India's international boundary? Now see here, Radcliffe line, already I said between India and Pakistan in the year 1947. McMahon line between India and China. Other one is Durand line. Obviously your answer is Sir Creek. It is a dispute region between India and Pakistan. So you can see Durand line in the year 1896 between India and Afghanistan. Other one is McMahon line between India and China in the year 1914. Obviously there is a green color, whatever that is there in the green color, it is the Radcliffe line in the year 1947. So these three borders are important. McMahon, India and China. Radcliffe, India and Pakistan. Whereas Durand is between India and Afghanistan. Okay, it's with like 1896 when British were ruling. So they demarcated this. Which of the following states has international borders with three countries? Again, same question we already seen. Your answer is Arunachal Pradesh, where having a border with Bhutan, China and Myanmar. Next one. Which of the following states in India does not share boundary with Myanmar? I said what to remember for Myanmar. I said to remember like Mi, Ma, Na, A. So Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. So which you have to look at which one is not there. Obviously Assam is not there. Your answer is Assam. With which country India has longest international boundary? Already I said Bangladesh with 4096 kilometers, then followed by China 3488 kilometers, with Pakistan 3322 kilometers, with Nepal around 1750 kilometers. Obviously the longest boundary is with Bangladesh. India recently signed a land boundary agreement with which country? That is with Bangladesh. It's a part of your current affair question. Which of the following borders is known as Radcliffe line? Now only I said that boundary between India and Pakistan is called as Radcliffe line in the year 1947, demarcated by Cyril Radcliffe. Which of the following is not the Union Territory? Obviously, you know, Chandigarh is Union Territory, Pond is also Union Territory, Lakshadweep, answer is Tripura. So Tripura is not a Union Territory, remaining three are Union Territories. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the next part of the same chapter. Thank you.